Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor from Carepatron, and I'm here to help you work through the Radical Acceptance Worksheet. What is a Radical Acceptance Worksheet? Radical Acceptance Worksheets can be used in therapy settings to help clients accept the reality of their situations, no matter how distressing. Clients can aim to address their mental health in developing coping plans and steps to help overcome the challenges they face. These worksheets focus on 8 parts, including distressing situation, emotional feelings that arise as a response, thoughts or beliefs about the situation, the reality, written as objectively as possible, what they can change, radical acceptance, to acknowledge the situation, action steps to improve, and self-care to prioritise yourself. Work towards developing a positive mental state and psychological well-being. There are a variety of mental health care professionals who can use these worksheets, including therapists, counsellors, and more. Here's how to use a Radical Acceptance Worksheet. The first step is to fill in patient information at the top. The second step is to complete all sections, writing answers with sufficient information. To view a sample assessment of the Radical Acceptance Worksheets, visit carepatron.com, where you can download them for free. You can also access them within our platform. In the Templates tab, filter by community and by notes or assessment. You can also type in the keywords to find the note faster. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe to Carepatron for more healthcare videos.